we're doing a crystal aquarium, and we have all of the stuff here. Our mom already put the tin foil inside of this container thing, and we're gonna make like crystals inside the.
It actually grows like 4 feet. No, I mean 4 inches.
So it's gonna look like this, like on the picture, hopefully. Okay, that's cool.
So.
And remember, Keegan and Madison have their mom here, helping them. So if you ever decide to do this project, you need a parent, okay?
It's
All right,
dangerous.
guys.
This can burn their skin.
All right, let's start.
Move
Yeah,
it a
move
little bit.
I can't see. Move it closer this way, Timon. There we go. So the rocks are going inside.
If
The
it's
direction
any plastic,
says that
you
it
gotta
has-
move it.
The direction says that they should be close but not touching.
Oh no, all of them are touching.
They're like in the back, touching all of them. It should not be touching the plastic.
Okay, the rocks in there.
Yep.
Yes, they're hard to put in.
You have 4.
Yep. And you can't like.
Yeah, it should be that much. Should be that much, Mom.
Good.
Okay, turn around, let me see. So let's see, we have 4 rocks. They're close but not touching. Exactly. All right, what's our next step? No, turn that back around so
Pour
everybody can
this
see it.
in
Madison.
very slowly, and after the water, I'm going to do it very slowly. My sister is going to very slowly mix it.
So you're gonna pour the growing solution into the
32.
glass jar.
I forgot what it is.
So
Who
Keegan
goes
go first.
Me.
Very slowly.
This stings. So be careful.
That's why we're wearing gloves. Just to protect ourselves. Good.
It's not that much.
Okay, that's good. Close it up. Madison, your turn.
Do it when
It's okay, Keegan. Close it up.
No, it's still dripping. No, I gotta put water.
Okay. Now Keegan's gonna pour in 32 ounces of lukewarm water into the growing
That's
solution.
a lot. That would be all the way up.
Oh, it's so dangerous.
Yeah,
I
go
don't
slow,
want it.
buddy. You can do it. Just go slow.
I'm gonna get far.
Here, I'm gonna.
No, don't hold
Keegan.
it. Gonna get splashed.
Look at that. Perfect fit.
Oh my
Now
god.
Madison's gonna take a stir.
My
and
glove. Oh.
Carefully stir.
Come on,
because
glove.
this can.
How much do you have to stir, Mom?
Stir for a little bit longer. I think until you don't see any particles.
What sparkles? Like those things?
Like I see things floating in the water. I, Mommy, am going to pour the mixture
Very
into
slowly.
the aquarium. Can you move
Put
the
it
aquarium
like this.
closer to the water? On the table.
It's gonna stain.
Okay, so Keegan, go
It's
for
going
the
to
bottle.
stain.
Just put on top of the bottles.
Hey,
There you go. Okay.
copy my idea.
I'm gonna take this.
Let's just hope Mommy makes it. That was loud. So cool. Oh no, they're gonna about to touch each other. The green is way too far. She has to pour all of the mixing stuff.
I think I just got some my next.
It's just so it fits all.
It should fit.
Sheesh. It's all gonna fit. Oh, well. All right, so they're in there. Are they touching? They are. So Madison, you're gonna get your straw
Can I see?
and you're gonna have to be very careful. Just slow, not too far, too far. They gotta be close. There you go. They look good. They look good. Thumbs up. Okay, so now what are we gonna do, guys?
We're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes and then we'll come back.
After 30
and see
minutes
it.
and after 120 minutes.
Okay, so 10 minutes, we'll be back.
Look at our cool crystal aquarium. It's
Yeah.
growing.
It's like
10
1
minutes.
inch. 10 minutes is quick.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah. I
Awesome.
love crystals. I have one set of crystals.
All right.
All right.
See you
Bye.
guys later.
We'll see you
30
guys
minutes.
later in 30 minutes.
All right, 30
Bye.
minutes, we'll be back.
Guys, we're back. Look at our cool
Things.
crystal
And
aquarium.
crystals. And
The
look at the
blue
blue. It's
is
not working
not
that much. It's
growing.
a little bit the same height as the another pink, like the third one. Aw.
Pink is
So it looks like the yellow, the green, and the purple.
Wait a second. This one, the green is like green has a blue on top.
It's pretty cool. So it's been 30 minutes since we did the project. Now we're gonna wait what?
until
We have to check it 120 minutes.
It'll be
So
so
we
tall.
will see you back
It's gonna be
soon.
this tall.
Hey guys, welcome back. Look at our rocks.
The green one is the tallest.
Yeah, and then
And the
second
purple
one is yellow. And
is
then purple.
wait, and the blue is short, very short. I'm not sure. Maybe.
All right, so it's
they
been
work-
30 minutes. What are we gonna do now?
Now we're gonna show you the crystals tomorrow.
Because we're gonna
Overnight.
we're gonna let them sit overnight to see how
Yeah,
tall
maybe it
they
could
grow.
get bigger.
I think they're gonna be really big when we.
Maybe what happens to get this high?
No, we'll see.
What
I don't think they'll come out of the
happens
water.
if they get past the water?
See tomorrow, right? Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back. Look, new crystals.
We put some more crystals, and we should have put this one yesterday, and this one grew the most.
Look at those cool crystals that grew overnight.
This one, I think it got shorter, and maybe broke off some. And the yellow got mixed by blue.